Yo, what's up, everybody? This is Phoenix, and welcome back to EV Exotic. Today's an amazing day because I get to do a little bit of maintenance and upkeep, and also an upgrade to the vehicle. So this right here is the intake chamber, which is connecting the intake manifold to the engine. And these are the chamber resonators. As you can see, this is kind of like the OEM rubber, and it's pretty old. And so there's this company called Urutu, and they make this upgraded piece with the carbon fiber on it. I chose to replace that with this. That or this. It's going to be a pretty simple install today. First thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to undo this clamp here and undo this clamp here. And there's another clamp underneath that I'm also going to undo. And then I'm going to pull this unit out, put this other one in. Bada bing, bada boom. Easy one today. So first thing I'm going to do is loosen this. I can probably reuse this one. This one's really nice and big. Also thin still. That's good. Just loosen that up way a lot. It's just loose now, like that. Now these ones are normally one-time use, and so kind of just come over to these from here, I think. Kind of get them off. This pops off just like that. Normally you wouldn't want to do that because you can actually sometimes reuse these. These are the factory ones. So I just bent that. Also try and bend it back to straight, and use it again in case you don't have, but I like to go and get new clamps whenever I start doing this kind of stuff. So then under here, this one's done, that one's done. I should now be able to wiggle this loose. This under here. That's off. Just like that. That came off. The interesting thing is going to be to get this to fit in the new one. So I think what I'll do, I'll try to get this lip on first. This done without taking the engine shroud off, but as it turns out, this is just a good time to take off the engine cover and have more access to more room in order to install this part. So I just got my Quartz bit, and I also got a screwdriver, and so now we're just going to take all these off real quick and take off the cover. The hardware's off, I should be able to lift this out now pretty easily. here. Now I got a little bit more.
I wanna be strong. 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 I wanna be strong.
Finagling and taking pieces apart and putting it all in. I almost have it together again. So I'm gonna put this bolt in, and then that should secure everything back, and I should be able to put everything back together, and we should be done pretty soon here. I dropped the bolt, so I have to take some stuff out. Radiator is bent. Smart. Okay, so now I had this all finagled in and stuff, except the air box wasn't incorrect. Now that I have this out, all I need to do is figure out take the air box out itself. Okay. Air boxes. Just engine bay. In case you ever wanted to know what a Maserati engine bay looks like. So it's really cool. It's actually, there's a silver lining always. My silver lining this time is being able to replace the actual engine air filter, because that's what I'm going to do right now. So I'm just going to grab that, and we're going to take this dirty one out, use the vacuum it out. I'm going to put everything back in. I got the bolt I needed out that fell. And so 2 for 1, not only am I redoing this air intake, but I'm also doing some maintenance. one that came with it. There's only 3 clamps like this. 1, 2, and 3. And then this just pulls apart from there like that. And check this out. Ugh. That's looking pretty old and gross. Take this out. Open this up. Take a look at the difference. Yeah. New, old. By the way, all the OEM stuff for Maserati and Ferrari and Lamborghini and all that stuff, it is crazy expensive, and they just have Amazon equivalents. You literally just pop right in like this. Like that. Now put these on the bottom thing, and this comes down. Okay, 2. And 3. So, silver lining time was it was time to do that anyway. I'm gonna slide this back in, find those little pole mounts, for this. Okay. Once they seat, it's pretty obvious where it goes. One, there's 2. See that? Now I can pull this away from this, right? The whole point is now I'm going to be able to install the intake. Whereas before I was having a problem. I think this time it's going to work. So, remember from my last move, I'm going to put this on here first. Keep that out of the way. Feed this down onto this. One end is completely around, and I'm about to get the other side on and get this bolt done, and then put the rest of the pieces back in. And the next time I go in here, I'm going to be doing the belt service. All right, so back to what we were doing. Just put the pieces back in, hook it back up, button it up. Done for one day. Okay. Oh my God. Yeah. Progress. This little hose right here goes in here. That hose. Pretty good spot now. Get these bolts back on. These ones here. Carefully. Bolts. More bolt, and then I'm on home stretch. I'm just getting the harness out of the way. Carrying harness. Good job. It's fine. Easy, he said. Easy hard, he said. I need one of those extender pulls with the magnet on the end. 100%. I don't. Need. Finally get to put the shroud back on. Famous last words that it was going to be easy. Wound up being a lot of steps, Anybody who wants to do this modification to your Maserati, now you know what it takes. I was able to finally get it all back together and buttoned up. This is the end result. Remember to smash that subscribe button, hit that bell icon so you never miss another video. Love, light, and gratitude, guys. Peace.